Şokru sağlı yürürsün. KPT futbol oynayıp Real Madrid oynaşı öyle şimdi etti. Şokru. Gamdon.
So, the UEFA Champions League semi-final. Some of these players have never experienced a bigger game than this. This is John Champion with Jim Beglin to keep me company. And we're now underway. It's on for him. He's got in. Fabio Coentrao. Looking to carve open the defence. Got it. And now the counter-attack. It's opened up nicely for him. No, beaten to it.
But just how wasteful was that?
Wants to get this forward. Now through to Rooney. Seemed to play for throw. Another throw in. No, it's been cut out. Deliberate foul. Real Madrid with a set piece. It's that familiar gunslinger pose again. What can Cristiano Ronaldo do from this free kick? And the keeper's there to claim it. The club so steeped in history, it's become a magnet for many of the world's top footballers.
Yes, they come to play for Manchester United because they know they'll be competing for the game's top prizes.
Vidic.
Yine PSG'nin diye oturma mı? Profesör'e koy oynatma.
Looking towards the penalty area now. Foul. With an easy decision to make. Manchester United have this free kick. Ball in. Poor connection for that clearance. Benzema. What can we counter? Now Di Maria. He can take the shot on here. The post to the rescue. Plays this forward. Slides it through. This could be interesting. Now he's ready for a shot. They were so nearly punished for their mistake. It's a ball in. Stop the danger. He's having a pop. What a reprieve that was. Now Darren Fletcher. The whistle goes to signify half-time.
Yeah, so far no goals, but it's a really decent game. The team are actually playing very well. They forced the keeper into making many, many good saves. I think the goals will come.
So, it's 0-0. Let's hope for a goal or two in the second half. Real Madrid against Manchester United.
Şokka kesen oynayımsa şimdi.
Darren Fletcher plays this forward. Dived in recklessly. Free kick awarded. Manchester United have this free kick.
He's got two options here. He either goes for goal or he opts for the little dink into the penalty box.
That's a clever ball from him. Here's Benzema. Here's a cross.
Well, without the support, you had to avoid crossing that, but he just didn't have the patience.
Here's a header. Well, everything was right there except the finish. Cristiano Ronaldo. Played just beyond the hour here. Evra. Ashley Young. Evra. Promising opportunity from the wing here. Now the chance. Maybe now.
Whoa!
أنا شاقة أردن صغير.
Game needed.
I'm not sure he knew where he was headed once he set off, but that was a blistering burst to go.
رو
A memorable solo effort that.
وقته